Cause so much I love you.
Yeah.
No. Cause so much I need you. And I can't stand you. Must everything you do make me wanna smile. Can I not like you for a while?
No, but you won't let me. You upset me, girl, and then you kiss my lips. All of a sudden I forget that I was upset. I can't remember what you did, but I hate it.
You know exactly what to do, so that I can't stay mad at you for too long. That's wrong,
but I hate it. You know exactly how to touch, so that I don't wanna fuss and fight no more. Said I despise, yet I adore you.
And I hate how much I love you, boy.
Yeah.
I can't stand how much I need you.
I need you.
And I hate how much I love you, boy. But I just can't let you go. And I hate that I love you so.
And you completely know the power that you have. The only one that makes me laugh.
Sad and it's not fair how you take advantage of the fact that I love you beyond the reason why. And it just ain't right.
And I hate how much I love you, girl. I can't stand how much I need you. And I hate how much I love you, girl. But I just can't let you go. But I hate that I love you so.
One of these days, maybe your magic won't affect me, and your kiss will make me weak.
But no one in this world knows me the way you know me. So you'll probably always have a spell on me. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Cause how much I love you,
How much I need you,
how much I need
how
you,
much I love you, oh, need you,
how much I
I
need you.
need you.
And I hate that I love you so.
And I
hate how much I love you, boy. I can't stand how much I
Can't
need you.
stand how much
And I
need
hate how much I love you,
yeah.
but I just can't let you
But
go.
I just can't let go,
And I
no.
hate that I love you so.
Ooh.
And I hate that I love you so.
What makes you think about the boy who just cannot love you? He's
I miss that feeling. The feeling of somebody close. I crave that feeling. The feeling that I miss the most. Empathy is part of me, and everything that comes with it is first class. I'm riding in economy, and I don't know how long it'll last. Is there something wrong with me that I'll never be able to see? I made us a reservation, no hesitation. I can't wait to be alone with you. Are the epitome of perfection, you know. I guarantee you that we could compete with the portraits in my mind. They have always been so kind. Can't wait to meet ya. But am I in love with you or just the idea? I'm good on my own. Doesn't mean that I don't feel alone. I miss that feeling. The feeling when someone is home. Empathy is part of me, and everything that comes with it is first class. I'm riding in economy, and I don't know how long it'll last. Is there something wrong with me that I'll never be able to see? I made us a reservation, no hesitation. I can't wait to be alone with you. Are the epitome of perfection, you know. I guarantee ya that we could compete